chicken feet. So I'll show you guys how to clean the chicken feet. And look at that. So you can see it has nails. Or do you wanna color it? Just kidding. So yeah, this one is a big one. You're gonna cut this. Cut. Because you're not gonna. Now I'm cutting these nails. That's the way how we clean the chicken feet. Take the nails out because you're not gonna eat the nails. There you go. And we are going to marinate this for 1 day. Chicken feet. So that's easy to clean the chicken feet. So, and then make sure that this part is clean, right? Because if not, you're gonna take that like this. You're gonna take that dirt from that area, so like that. Right there. And cut the nails. So by the way guys, if you are Filipinos that looking or craving the food like this, exotic food, I found this in Walmart. I found the chicken gizzard and liver there.